Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. We are Wednesday already, November 22nd, pre-market preparations. How is everybody doing today? How was your trading week so far? Say hi, don't be shy. Don't let me hang here alone. Who is with me? Let's see that everything is working. Let me know that you see me well, hear me well. Who is with me? Hi, Amir. Good afternoon. Thank you very much for joining. I hope all is well. How is your trading week so far? What is your biggest loss so far? What is your biggest win so far? Not about money. The name of the stock, the ticker that you're trading. Let me know. And if you're already here, like, subscribe, share with friends. Bring more friends so we can help each other grow as traders each and every day. Become better traders on the technical side and the psychology behind trading. Who else? Who else is with me? Come on, ladies and gentlemen, say hi. Don't be shy. As you can see, futures 2 hours chart over here, futures 15 minutes chart over here. Let's wait a few more seconds. Amir, if you have any question, please don't be shy. Ask, and your question will be answered. Who's watching and didn't say hi? Come on, ladies and gentlemen, just say hi. Send emoji so I know you are here. Hi, Asaf. Thank you very much. Hi, Leah. This is how I like you, ladies and gentlemen. Participating in the chat room. This is why we do these lives. I'm not talking to myself. We are having a conversation. You're talking, I'm talking. Everybody's talking to one another. Hi, Rafael. Thank you very much for joining. How is your day so far? Hi, Mayor. Good evening, good afternoon, good night, good morning, wherever you are in the world. As you can see, we have here, if you missed, we have here futures 2 hours. We have here futures 15 minutes. We took some long in the premium room. Pre-market long. As you can see, 2.5 hours ago, one of our premium member set this trigger. We followed trend line from resistance to support. We have NVIDIA also pre-market watching, and this green trend line is holding a support. Now, let's see. 45, let's make it over here. Now it's coming into a resistance. Above this resistance, we are heading towards the 45.65 and then 45.80. But always prepare for both sides. We do have here, if bulls will fail to hold, fail to break above this 45.54, 45.55. It's an area, it's never an accurate price. If bulls will fail to hold, fail to break above it, we need to prepare for a double top scenario that will take us back to the 45.31 and then 45.10. But for now, we are long. The long is holding. Let's see NVIDIA pre-market. This is NVIDIA pre-market on the 65 minutes. As you can see, this 506, very tough resistance. This area over here, the 490, important support. Short below the 491, long continuation above the 506, and this is how it looks on the 15 minutes pre-market. Now we had this uptrend. We can take Fibonacci, swing low, swing high. Now look where it's stopped for now, trying to bounce off the 50% retracement. Fibonacci works on everything. Pre-market, after hours, during hours, 15 minutes, 2 hours, and any time frame that you like. Daily, weekly, SPY, Qs, Bitcoin, futures, anything that you want. You want to trade Forex? No problem. Let's trade Forex. Here is the USD ILS. Trend line is holding the upper trend line. This one holding the higher lows since August of 2022. Bounced off 2 days ago. Now let's see, can we get some kind of a bounce? If not, if this trend line will fail to hold, where price might be heading next? No need to guess. You take Fibonacci, swing high, swing low, above this area, the 367, we will see 357. Bounce, validation only above the 376 towards 382 on any time frame that you want. By the way, this is why we have, let me see, where is it? This is why we have this massive Black Friday special. Ladies and gentlemen, Fibonacci Traders online program, 34% off. You will master entry, exit points. You will learn how to boost your gains, minimize your risks, how to put your stop loss, where to enter, where to take some profits, where to add to a winning position. And of course, the psychology behind trading. We never neglect the mental side, the psychology behind trading, all this and more. And as you can see, we have also some feedbacks. This is some of the feedbacks from members. So check it out. I will post these links. You have the English version over here. You have the Hebrew version over here. Choose your version, choose your language. Click on the link. Click on the link. Use this code Black Friday 34% off. This is a once in a lifetime opportunity for you to become your own indicator. And of course, it comes with lifetime access, guaranteed lifetime access, support, guidance, all Discord channels, support and guidance from me and from Fibonacci Traders, Fibonacci Traders members, premium and gold members. All your questions will be answered in a matter of time, in a matter of sometimes minutes. We have some premium and gold members here in the chat. They can validate that all questions are getting answered within a matter of minutes, if not minutes, in the same day. In the same day. So check it out. All the things that I know, all my knowledge, all the setbacks that I had in the first 2 years until I became profitable trader, all the setbacks, all the failures, all the things that made me a profitable, consistent profitable trader, I've put in this program. It's not a course. It's a program. It's a program you take for life until you will say to yourself, hey, I can do it by myself. I don't need no one. I don't even need Tamir to tell me if I'm doing good or not. I know if I'm doing good or not. So check it out. Don't miss this opportunity. Hi, Yaakov, can you do a review on PTC? PTC. This one? No, I don't think it's this one. PTC Inc. I don't know where I drew these trend lines and all these lines, but let's get rid of them. PTC Inc. Nice. Very strong. We had uptrend, pullback, uptrend continuation, post earnings. Very nice. Now, where price might be heading next? Don't guess. First you have trend lines to show you the way. This trend line is a resistance, but it's a good resistance. It's a resistance for the higher highs. And as long we have higher highs, the way is up. Now, all we need to do, risk management should be here. If you're already long, your risk management should be at around the 151 area. And long continuation towards the 166. But once again, don't guess. Take Fibonacci, and here it is. Look how Fibonacci works. This is not a magic. No other indicator can give you future support and resistance. Future support and resistance area. All the rest of the indicators, go back. Look at this. Let's take EMAs. All the EMAs. Which EMA you want me to put? Let's put the 8. Let's put the 21. Let's put the 50. Let's put 100. What are the most common moving averages? 100 and the famous of them all, 200. Hi YB. Hi Offer. Thank you very much for joining. Look at all these EMAs. They're all lagging. Nothing gives you future support resistance, right? You can say I'm long as the price is holding above the 8. But look back. Did this 8 really help you as support and resistance? No. But trend lines go infinitely. Fibonacci. Look closely. Swing low. Swing high. Extension. Fibonacci extension. And boom. Where price went yesterday. High of the day. Fibonacci extension. Above it, don't guess. Look up. 163 together with this green trend line. So I hope it answered your question. What else do we have? Quick review on the SPY. For now, let's see. As you can see, 45.53 resistance. SPY yesterday, doji inside candle, nothing much. We still have this gap over here. Still open gap. And trend lines are the true support, resistance. These are not your usual trend lines. These are Fibonacci trend lines, which we learn how to use in the premium room. QQQ, once again, Fibonacci trend lines, holding resistance for the higher highs. Trend lines, as long as Qs is inside this channel, we are heading up. Dow Jones, 350, very tough resistance. Now, let's see continuation towards this red line. This red line, it's a normal line, but trend line. Support, support, resistance will become the next resistance. IWM still struggling with this area, the 178, 181 area. Let's see continuation. Long continuation at IWM only above, in my opinion, only above the 182. What else do we have? Bitcoin with all the Binance saga. Still 36 holding. Below it, we will see, in my opinion, 29,800. Can we break up and above this trend line? What else? Interesting. Let's see. SOXX, of course, is very interesting. Post earnings, post Nvidia earnings. Let 511 needs to hold. Otherwise, in my opinion, next week, the 491 gap will get filled. Long continuation above 524 towards 540. Nvidia. Pre-market. Basically, this is the pre-market. As you can see, bounced off the 50% retracement. Uptrend, retracement, 50%. It all comes down to Fibonacci trend lines. And of course, the basic of them all, candlestick analysis, aka pure price action. Believe it or not, more than 95% of traders, including myself in my first year in my trading journey, we don't know how to read candles. And furthermore, we don't know how to read candles at multi-time frames. If we don't know how to read candles, we cannot trade. And it doesn't matter the strategy that you're using. If you don't know how to use and how to read candles, stop trading. Stop trading today and start learning candlestick analysis. What else? 507 is the resistance. All this area since August, very tough resistance. Resistance over here, resistance over here. 488 needs to hold. Otherwise, we are heading back. 475. We have also this gap over here. This gap, 85% chance it will get filled. When? No one knows. But embrace that this gap, sometimes in the future, will get filled. Long continuation above the 507 towards 560. Can we get another 10% or so by the end of 2023? What do you think? Another 13%. 13. You guessed it. Fibonacci number. What else? You're more than welcome, Yaakov. If you want, it's only if you want, we also have Black Friday. One second. Here is, we have Black Friday. Also, no, this one, where is it? Here, Black Friday, if you only want to join the premium room, this room over here, the exclusive requests from premium and gold and diamond members. If you want to join only these rooms without taking the course, no problem. We have the solution. We have 34% off. Special Black Friday. 34% off. You don't want to miss this deal. Check this link. I will put this link over here in the chat also. It costs $195 per day for 3 months. $195 per day. It's less than your daily coffee. And then you will gain access to the premium room where we share trading ideas, day trading ideas, swing ideas, special requests, and of course, all your questions are answered. Before hours, after hours, and of course during hours. So check it out. Join us. Join us. What else do we have? ACLS. ACLS for Rafael. What do we see here? What do you see? First, we see all this area, 124 area, very important area of support. It was support over here. All this area, resistance, long continuation above 137, 138 even. Then towards the 150. Above 150, we are heading towards the 167. Short, for now, as you can see, we have lower highs, lower lows, short continuation below 124. Next will be the 111 to the downside. But if you are lazy to look left and train your eyes to identify support and resistance, you guessed it. Take Fibonacci, swing low, swing high, and here you have it. Also from here, this is our recent high. Below 123.70, 113.22. Long continuation above 132.70. As you can see, very tough resistance over here. Fibonacci gives you everything. You don't even need to think. You just need to know how to use Fibonacci. For short, as we said, below 123, we are heading towards 113. Before 113, we even have 117.49, 117.50 to the downside. But above 133, never be biased. Above 133, we have a double bottom scenario. So be prepared also for a double bottom scenario, which will get validated above the 133, even above the 136. Towards, if this double bottom scenario will get validated, we are heading towards the 150 at first. What else? Futures bouncing, as you can see, between two Fibonacci levels, 45.49, 45.52 to the upside. For now, Doji on the 2 hours chart. Nothing much. We have here SPY, including extended hours. Any other questions? Ask me anything. Ladies and gentlemen, ask me anything. WSM. Let's check WSM. What do you think about SPY? Where can you see SPY by the end? We only have how many weeks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks till the end. 2023, believe it or not. 5 weeks till the end of 2023 and the beginning of 2024. Can you believe it? Time flies. WSM broke above this channel. Very bullish sentiment on WSM. Where now? Don't guess. You had a double bottom scenario over here. Very nice double bottom. Breaking above it. Now, long continuation above 182 towards 194 and then 210. 210 and then 220 to the upside. Nice. WSM, very nice, Meir. If you're already long, good for you. Use trend lines, Fibonacci, and ATR as your risk management. And if you don't know how to use ATR, you know where to go. Fibonacci Academy playlist, free playlist, 26 videos on how to become a better trader. So before you take any other paid service, check the Fibonacci Academy playlist. Check it out. Let's check AFRM. I know many people like AFRM, uptrend until proven otherwise. We have a gap over here at the 1945. And as you can see, this upper trend line, every time price reached it, it gets rejected. So if you're not long yet on AFRM, I would wait for 2 scenarios. First, another day closing above the 2730, maybe above this trend line, or wait for some kind of a pullback. Look left, as you can see, each and every time. Price reached, pulled back, reached, pulled back, now reached once again 2 weeks ago, trying not, but we have several consecutive dojis. If bulls will give up, we are heading back to the 22.44, and this area between the 21 and the 22.50, I will look for a bounce. SoFi, also, I get many requests about SoFi, downtrend until proven otherwise. And it doesn't matter what others think, and it doesn't matter what we think, if it's a good company or a bad company, it doesn't really matter. Look at the chart, what the chart says. This is why we have trend lines. Trend lines shows us that for now, we are in a downtrend. You want to catch the bounce? Maybe towards this upper red line? Take Fibonacci, and Fibonacci will let you know where to enter. And if you see, check the magnificent Fibonacci. Take Fibonacci, swing low, swing high, and look left. Where price? Over here, it gives us everything. Gives us everything that we need. Be more accurate. This is our swing high, swing low, long above 685, 690, closing above this area, and then we can start slowly taking long position, managing our risk towards this upper red line. What else? Any other questions? Any other requests? What do you say about this chat that we can see? Do you like it or not? Let me know. You want me to keep it? Or not? Let me know. Now it went away. Where is it? Now I cannot see it. Let me know if you want me to keep this chat box. Any other questions? And here we have SPY trying to break up and above. If you remember in the premium room, we took long at this break over here at the 44 and the 45. It's good, thank you, but now I don't know why it went and it's gone for some reason. I will bring it back next live. So I hope you enjoyed this live. Found it educational, helpful. I want to thank you very much once again for joining this live. Just hit a like, subscribe. And until the next video tomorrow, hide a little bit the chat, the chart. Okay. Yeah, I can do it smaller like this. Now what do you think? Anyway, we need to look over here. We don't need to look over here. We look at the chart here. Anyway, thanks for the feedback. Last, Nathanael, in the last second, what do I think about P. Diddy? It doesn't matter what I think. What do you think? What do you think about P. Diddy? P. Diddy, what do you see? Few days back, broke above the 111 area. 111 area was a very tough resistance since beginning of October. Broke up above. Now, the 111 area needs to hold a support. 117, resistance. Long continuation above it towards the 127 and then to this upper purple trend line. This is what I think. Let me know what do you think about this P. Diddy. Should I go long at this point on P. Diddy? Or should I go short? And here you have Fibonacci trend lines. Everything. Support, support, resistance. What else? Did you hit the like? This is all I need. Like, subscribe, share with friends. Once again, thank you very much for joining this live. Tomorrow, Thanksgiving, stock market is closed, so there will be no pre-market show. Friday, Black Friday, usually not much of a price action in the markets, so I still didn't decide with my production crew if we will go live on Friday, pre-market show, or maybe another day off. Anyway, I will let you all know. Thank you very much. And until the next video, stay safe.